Jules Gounon stands his ground on the outside line.
This is real pace. This is real drama. It's panorama Bathurst.
A real test for this leading group of cars.
This is a massive advantage to car 75. It's a long way round the outside.
Intercontinental GT Challenge is one of the greatest prizes in world racing. It combines some of the most iconic endurance races from across the globe. Bathurst, Kyalami, Spa, Indianapolis and Yas Marina in Abu Dhabi. As reigning champions, Mercedes-AMG will once again be determined to keep its crown.
Liquimoli Bathurst 12-hour fires into life. Kenny's engineered another triumph. Lucas Stoles goes back-to-back. Jules Gounon, 3 in a row.
But the Triple R car does get a very big lead at this stage.
Out of La Source they come, speed builds.
The Acadis Mercedes is just going to sweep past, no issues at all.
Here comes the field roaring to turn 1. Marciello and Stoltz across the line by only half a second.
With a demon start by Mara Engel, who charges away as they come over the line.
And it's the third win in the Lenovo Golf 12 Hours for Mercedes.
The 23 IGTC season has been surreal. We started with a third Bathurst victory in a row, went to Kyalami for a podium, went to Spa for a second place finish, went to Indianapolis for another second place finish, and finish it off here, getting that baby home. Mercedes-AMG takes the title back home in Affaltaba for the second year in a row, and they are the manufacturer's champion.